What to disclose. This is vital to ensure you are safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest going over disclosures with your agent prior to the home going on the MLS or prior to buyers seeing the home. We want them to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out from things that they should already have been made aware of. In California, there are massive amounts of disclosures that need to be filled out and disclosed. This is actually a safety net, not only for the buyer, but also the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course, or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding area that you know about would have to be disclosed. My goal is to never have a lawsuit. This is important to understand. When you're selling anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed, it needs to be disclosed. So if you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if I should disclose it, the answer most likely is always going to be yes. Over disclosure is better than under disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home, the neighborhood, the area, etc. That could have a negative impact on the desirability or the price of your home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later, telling you they want to go to court or want to try to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose. I'm Lori McIntosh with ESP Realty.